Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable breakout rooms in Zoom. First you're going to open the Zoom app. If you can't find it, just head over to the Windows Start menu and search for Zoom. Open the first app that shows up which says Start Zoom. It might prompt you to sign in. If it does, sign in with your account. Go to the settings. So you can either click on the icon that's right here, or if you can't find it, go to your profile picture and click on settings. After that, go to View More Settings, which will open your advanced settings. This should open it in your browser. It might prompt you to sign in again. If it does, do so. After that, you're going to go down to the In-Meeting Advanced section. And in that section, it should show up as either the first or second option. When you see a breakout room, turn it on. Click on the checkbox that shows up afterwards. And save. Now that we've finished, let's start a meeting to see if it works. And as you can see, it shows up right here. So to use it, click on it. And you have two options, either automatically or manually. Automatically will randomly split up the people that you have in your meeting. Manually, you get to choose. So I'll do automatically and create room. And here's the first room. It is called Breakout Room 1. You can rename it. And you can delete it if you want. You can also add another room by clicking on Add Room. And it creates another one, which you can also rename and delete. To add people to the breakout room, you click on Assign, and then you choose the participants you want to add. After you're done, click on Open All Rooms. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.